Hey there, viewers! Let's talk about your face health for a minute. Not your face specifically, don't flatter yourself. I'm talking about people in general. Your face can communicate a lot more than just your emotions. Have you looked in the mirror lately? Anything strange or out of the ordinary? Let's talk about what your face says about your health. Do you have cracked lips? What does it mean to have yellow eyes? Why are sores popping out of nowhere? Wait, what's a butterfly rash? We're talking all that and more. Number 1. Butterfly rash. We're starting things off with one that's rather serious. Also known as malar rash, this is the type that covers both cheeks and the bridge of your nose in the shape of a butterfly. While butterflies usually give you feelings of warmth, this rash is anything but. Butterfly rash can be the result of a severe sunburn. In really extreme cases, it can be a sign of lupus. Lupus is a chronic autoimmune condition which causes inflammation all throughout the body. It eventually attacks your tissues and organs. While it usually comes with other symptoms like fatigue, body aches, and fever, butterfly rash is normally one of the most noticeable. It's estimated that 5 million people worldwide have a form of lupus. But a more common condition is rosacea. This is a skin condition that causes blood vessels to become visible on your face. Your face can sometimes become beet red and form the shape of a butterfly. About 16 million Americans alone are said to suffer from this condition. If you're noticing a butterfly shape on your face, make sure you get to a doctor. Have you suffered from a bad skin condition? What was the cause? Did it go away? Sound off in the comment section and start a conversation with our bestie community. Number 2. Hair in weird places. Have you ever found random hair in a really strange place on your body? How about multiple hairs? During this discovery, there's a few questions that run through your head. Is this normal? Am I sick? Was I bitten by a werewolf while staggering home on a drunken night? Your mind takes you through wild and wacky scenarios. While men often have this problem as they get older, it's women who really need to be careful. For females, a random hair can be a sign of polycystic ovary syndrome. This is a hormone disorder that happens as they get older. One of the results is random hair on your face and body. They will often find it around the chin area. Number 3. Yellow spots on the eyes or eyelids. Any changes in and around your eyes can be terrifying, especially when these changes involve color. We're gonna get into a big word for a minute, so bear with me as I try to pronounce it. Have you ever heard of xanthelasma? This is a yellowish deposit of cholesterol found underneath your skin. It can be usually seen under your eyes. While the deposits themselves are not dangerous, it could be a sign that your level of bad cholesterol is way too high. Over time, it will lead to heart disease, including stroke and heart attack. And that's just with the area around the eyes. What about when your eyes themselves are yellow? I'll just come right out with it. This is jaundice. This is when your eyes and skin turn yellow due to high level of bilirubin. Bilirubin is a yellow pigment that appears when the red blood cells break down. When jaundice happens to babies, it's usually harmless. When it happens to adults, it can mean you have a severe health condition. These include viral infections like hepatitis or issues with organs like your liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. Alcoholics are also known to get jaundice. Number 4. Moles. Moles come in different shapes and sizes. Everybody has them. While most moles are harmless, some can be cancerous. The best way to tell is by checking with your doctor. Moles on the face can be particularly alarming. A mole that appears out of nowhere can often be a sign of melanoma. This is a form of skin cancer. Keep in mind that more research needs to be done. Benign moles can also be a sign of genetic mutation. Sounds pretty crazy, right? This seems to be the case in over 70% of random moles that appear on the face. If you're concerned about a mole on your face, never hesitate to talk to a doctor. Number 5. Sores. Much like moles, sores have different appearances and are found on different areas of the face. If you're finding them around your lips and mouth, well, you might want to sit down for this one. These are cold sores, and they're caused by type 1 herpes. Yup, you heard it here, folks. Herpes is the real deal. Once you get it, it stays with you. Sores can also come from a breakout when you're sick, anxious, or tired. If you've been outside in the sun for too long, sores can appear after this as well. If you're finding sores around your mouth area, talk to a doctor. They're going to have to provide you with some medication. Number 6. Cracked lips. Well, it looks like you need some lip chap. Maybe so, but did you know that chapped lips can imply something much more serious? Dry and cracking lips can be a sign of dehydration. This occurs when more water and fluids leave your body than enter it. If you haven't been drinking the right amount of water, your lips will show it off. Other ways to tell if you're dehydrated are severe headaches and constipation. Want an easy remedy? I'm talking about one other than LipChap. Make it a rule to drink around 8 cups of water a day. It's not the most water your body can handle, but it's enough to keep you hydrated. It will make you feel refreshed while giving your lips a well-deserved break. Cracked lips can also be the product of an allergic reaction. Before we continue, are you thinking at all about the health of your skin? Check out this video on 8 tips for making your skin healthier. Now back to our discussion on what your face says about your health. Number 7. Puffy eyes. Have you noticed your eyes looking puffy lately? Have other people mentioned it? This happens when fluid builds up in the layers of tissue surrounding your eyes. This makes them swell up and look puffy. This type of fluid buildup occurs during hot and humid weather. Your body is trying desperately to hold on to water, which can cause it to collect in various places. Lack of sleep can do this to you as well. Normally, the swelling will go away after a day. If it hasn't gone away after 48 hours, it's best you talk to a professional. Number 8. Loss of facial hair. If you're a beard aficionado, this one's gonna scare you. Hair loss doesn't just occur on the top of your head. You know you can experience loss of facial hair too, right? This is called alopecia areata. It's a condition where you experience hair loss in small but noticeable patches. Alopecia is your body's way of telling you that your immune system is suffering. Your immunity is getting confused and is attacking your hair follicles. One of the ways you can treat this is through medication. Ask your doctor to prescribe you something that will make your hair grow back. Number 9. Droopy side of the face. This one is pretty scary. It's one thing to be noticing something weird appear on your face, but to have a piece of your face literally unable to move is an entirely different ballpark. If you can't move one whole side of your face, it's a sign of Bell's palsy. Bell's palsy is a condition where the muscles in your face are paralyzed. The nerve that controls your muscle has become inflamed and swollen. This brings on weakness in your muscles, making them impossible to move. Pretty scary, huh? Keep in mind this is only temporary. The weakness in the muscles typically goes away between 3 to 6 months. Along with the paralysis, you'll also feel pain in your jaw and behind your ears. Bell's palsy is the most common form of facial paralysis, although its exact cause is still unknown. It usually affects people between the ages of 15 to 45. If you have concerns, make sure you talk to that professional. Your face gives away so much information about you. Have I sparked your interest? Let's keep the conversation going with a couple more face-related videos, shall we? Check out 13 of the best exercises to make your face look thinner, or Fast Track with 7 easy ways to make your face look slimmer within 30 days. Go ahead, click one, or better yet, watch both, and learn more about to have your face looking healthier. Has your face ever looked or felt the ways we described in this video? Let us know in the comments below.